A network protocol is a set of rules that governs how data is transmitted over a network. It ensures that a device can communicate with each other properly. So the importance of protocols is like it ensures data integrity, security, and proper communication between device on a network. So let's see the types of network protocols. Like I will break down based on the function and layer in OSI model. So OSI model is like open system interconnection model. So which consists of data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and application layer. So let's see some common protocols in on each layers. Like application layer contains HTTP or HTTPS like for web browsings, and FTP, file transfer protocols for transferring files, simple mail transfer protocol SMTP for sending emails, and domain name system, that is DNS, which resolves domain names to IP address. So under transport layer, like we have a transmission control protocol, that is TCP, and user datagram protocol, which is UDP. So like TCP ensures reliable ordered delivery of data, and UDP like faster but less reliable than TCP, used in real time applications like streaming. And under network layer, we have internet protocol, which handles addressing and routing of data packets, and internet control message protocol, used for diagnostic like ping. And data link layer contains Ethernet and Wi-Fi, like Wi-Fi wireless protocol for connecting device. Ethernet basically, which defines the physical and data link layer protocols for LAN. So let's see how protocols work together. So in case of like end-to-end communication, consider an instance when you visit a website, several protocols work together to ensure a smooth communication. Your browser, that is HTTP, requests the page. TCP ensures a reliable data delivery. IP handles routing, and Ethernet Wi-Fi handles the actual data transmission over the network, physical network. So in case of layered interaction, like each layer of protocol interacts with a layer above or below it, but doesn't need to know the specifics of what happens at other layers. It only cares about its role in the communication process. For example, TCP ensures reliability, but doesn't care about the application that is sending or receiving the data. So, why network protocols are important? For its efficiency, like ensure data is transmitted quickly and correctly. Security, like protect data integrity and prevents unauthorized access. And it also allows different devices and systems to communicate effectively, even if they are made by different manufacturers. So, some of our real world applications are like web browsing, um, HTTP or HTTPS protocols. For email, we have SMTP, IMAP, POP3, and for online streaming, we uses like UDP for quick transmission, and file sharing. Like I already mentioned, like we have FTP and server message block protocols. Challenges and future of network protocol is like as internet grows, protocols must handle more devices and data traffic, so it has to maintain scalability. Protocols like HTTP and TLS are increasingly important to prevent cyber attacks. And 5G networks and IoT, like new protocols may be needed to support more devices and faster connection. So to conclude, like the importance of network protocol is enabling the internet and digital communication. And so going forward, we might see new protocols, and how we need to see how the scalability and security comes to picture. Thanks.